Tasty egg roast recipe gives best taste when served along with biryani, appam, idiyappam, rice, rotti, porotta or chapathi. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 4 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it splutters. Then keep it medium flame. Add 1-inch size chopped ginger, 7 chopped garlics. Mix it well. Cook for a minute on medium flame. Add 4 sliced onions, 1 teaspoon salt, mix it well. Saute it for 7 minutes on medium flame until it becomes light golden brown color. When it turns to light golden brown color, keep it low flame. Add some curry leaves, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon chili powder, 2 tablespoon Kasmiri Chilli Powder. Mix it well. Cook for 2 minutes on low flame.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Now add 1/4 cup of hot water, half teaspoon lemon juice, half teaspoon pepper powder. Mix it well. Cook for 3 minutes on medium flame. Then add 4 boiled eggs. You can also prick the eggs with your knife. It will enhance the masala absorption by the eggs. Mix it well. Cook for 3 minutes on low flame. After 3 minutes, switch off the flame. Tasty egg roast recipe is ready. It is very delicious when served along with appam, idiyappam, rice, chapathi.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.